Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Wednesday, the 22nd of May. These are the charts of the day. Well, it was a topsy-turvy day on Wall Street. Nice little comeback at the end. Indices were sloppy all day, but here's the charts that we're interested in. ADI with a massive spike up on earnings. 212 to 245.50, closing about 240.5. Still up 24 nearly on 10 million. This is a new all-time high. Channel Top says this might get up to 275. AGEN popped out of a coil today. Jumped about 77 cents or 7%. Not huge, but I'm interested to see if this stock can follow through with targets 16.5 and 19. Alar continues to impress. Another 3-day rally out of the coil or flag. Mid-range target is about 37.5, 8. Upper range, high 40s. BE broke out yesterday, followed through today. Now is a clean breakout on a big move to resistance from the July 23 high. Get through here, you might see mid-20s. First 20 and then 24. Boyle, well, a swing is acting well. Today, a nice engulfing reversal bar. 1942 to 23.16. A point off the high, but up 198, 10% today. Good day. And it's the highest level we've seen in this one since back in January. Now the target's 28. DQ, the Chinese semiconductor, exploded, breakaway gap above the moving averages, and went through lateral resistance. Jumping from 1975 to 23, finished just 30 cents off the high at 22.70, and is up 359 or almost about 19%. I can see it making a move to 26 for next target, and then 29. ENVX popped out of a coil, stalled, and today it followed through, but it backed off. Still think it has a shot at 12.5 and 15. FREY broke out of a base today with 11.4 million shares, jumping from 2 to 263, finishing 251 up 54 cents, 27.5% gain. The next target will be a test of the gap around 3. FSLR monster day today. It went from 209 to nearly 254, 45-point run, and traded 252 after hours, still going. Right now, the way this looks, this could be a $300 stock near term, 290 to 3. HUMA, fantastic 4 or 5 weeks. It's taken this from 2 3/4 to 7 3/4, tripling. There is resistance up here. If it extends, not going to be shocked to get a run on this one that takes it up to around 12, 12.5. IGMS, biotech stock broke out of members head and shoulders with a spike up, taking it from 867 to 1231, 1156 last up 315 or 38% today. 3.2 million doesn't sound like a lot. It's the biggest volume in a year and a half, 2 years. Extension target 14. INOD popping and a rising channel. Now my target's going to be 14.5, 15. It's really strong. Although the 14.5, 15 was a high back in the August of 23 area. We get through that, we might see high teens. JK Solar and the Solar Group, inverse head and shoulder breakout, looking to target 30, 31, and then 35.6. MAXN and the Solar Group, pop, pull back, falling wedge, and today with the rest of the group popped again, up 26% on 8 million. If we can get up to 4, the target's going to be 5 and 6. Swing trade MRNA exploding, particularly after hours when it reached nearly 170. Net on the day up more than 20 points or 14%. Getting long in the tooth on a short-term basis, but I think it might make it up in the 190 range. NVAX, fantastic chart, breakaway gap, rising flag. The little pennant it formed popped and broke out. I'm looking for 19.5 and then 23. Seed poised to pop, holding right around that 6 range. Next target is 8.5 3/4. SMR up against resistance. Looks like it's poised to pop. My target will be 11 if it does. And finally, TQQQ, the Pro Ultra, made a new all-time high today. Not quite all-time, sorry. A new 2-year high. And it's trending like it wants to make a move into the low 70s. And that's it for tonight, everyone. Have a great evening.